Okay, quick market review. It is February 11th, Wednesday. Get the ES pulled up. So, as identified yesterday, we did end up making it up into these levels above the high, that new day opening gap, new week opening gap up here, just above. Or no, this was today, but yesterday we did make it up there. And then broke back down lower into the daily inversion level. This is the first fair value gap on the year, so that will be marked out in perpetuity. Hopefully for the rest of the year. I think that would be good, but I mean, right now it's 20 after 10. We saw that swing up above the highs, previous day high, and a break back into the range. Let me try and clear this up a little bit. So we're currently in that new week opening gap area. So we want to keep this low marked out from the last 3 days. Regular trading hours, we filled in the gap that was created today, and moving lower as we go. We'll mark out this regular trading hours area, because sometimes we'll see that area taken out and then a reversal back into the range before taking out that daily low. So we saw this overlapping gap here. If we close below, that'll be an inversion area that overlaps with our first presented imbalance on the year. I hate the look of this chart, but yeah, so this would be a target. This would be our first target of the day. Could hit it quickly. We could pull that up over here on our right side. So here's our 3-day high, or that's 2-day high. I want to keep this marked out. Potentially back into our halted trading hours gap, which is still important. So we also have this daily, but I'd also like to mark out this area. This has a suspension. So midpoint, target 1. 50% of this wick is also probably about right here, which we just tapped into. So there are my levels for the day. But we also have, I wish it was a little bit clearer here. So this is our, for the last 6 days, this low is definitely in play. This new day opening gap. How about the new week? Not sure why that's not populating. Oh, there we go. So we have these levels. This new week opening gap includes that low along with it. But as we're talking about it, our first target is in proximity. For the NASDAQ, here's our 3-day high and low. See how we came up and respected these areas right here. As I had drawn out earlier this week. And breaking lower, so we would want to look for this low from Monday. That's the primary target, similar to ES. Have these, which we could look at later this week. Large candle here. I could see. Not sure. I don't think we'll get all the way to this level, but it is surely possible. On our set, suspension, breakdown. We saw the midpoint respected for that run up above the highs. Now break lower. So we just tapped into just barely the bottom. So yes, target was hit. The lows are in play. Midpoint of this wick. Something to note. So yeah, that about sums it up. I have to take care of some other business. So yeah, those are my levels, targets, potential draws. So I'll leave it at that. Same thing, tapped into just barely. Give it room for one tick. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Our areas that we addressed yesterday were tapped into yesterday as well as today before the break lower. These highs were not taken out. Anticipated, not surprised. think this could be a change for a more significant move to the downside, because after these lows are taken out and we got that big move back into a premium, everyone's expecting the highs to come next. So find the lows first if they want to find those highs, get that internal liquidity out of the game and then run them, or really hurt the people and take it all the way back down. So that's it for today. Be safe. God bless.